Using AI to get brand deals? Yeah, it's insane. Everyone, and welcome back to another Beacons video. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Ivan, and I'm here to show y'all everything there is to know about the best all-in-one creator platform called Beacons. And today, I'm gonna give you a quick overview of our insane AI brand outreach generator tool. If you're a creator, you know the struggle of pitching to brands. It can take hours to curate the perfect pitch message to your favorite brand, and sometimes you're pitching 4 to 5 times a day. We know how hard it can be, so we made this insane AI tool that can save you those precious hours. By just inputting some information like the brand you want to work with, your service, and your statistics, our AI will curate the perfect pitch message for you. And it's free to use. Don't believe me? Let me show you. Open up Beacons, and on the left-hand navigation, click on AI Brand Outreach. At the top, you can enter the company name you're pitching to. For this case, let's do Beacons. Next, let's fill out the type of outreach you want to send. I want to make it witty. I don't want to make it too long, so I'll change it to medium, and I'll keep this as an email. Next, we can put what to include in this outreach. I want to offer a TikTok video at my rate of $5,000, and I'll include the price into the outreach. I want to highlight some stats, so I'll keep my follower count and add my engagement rate. If you want to get your stats like these, all you have to do is go to the bottom where it says connect your social account, press connect, and click on the platforms you post on and follow the steps. And if you want, you can add past projects with a simple link. Lastly, if you want, you can add some last things you want the brand to know. Press generate outreach email, and boom, our AI will curate the perfect pitch message for you so you can send to brands. Use this as a starting point, or just copy and send this. If you need help finding out what brands are good for you, we have some recommendations for you in the brands tab, and find all your old outreaches in the history tab. What I say? Easy peasy. If you want to try this out for yourself, click the link in the description and sign up for Beacons for free. And while you're at it, check out our other apps. Make sure to check out our other videos and subscribe to our YouTube. Give us a follow on our Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter, and don't forget to join our Discord. Thanks for watching, y'all. I'll catch you later.